Game keeps flagging the SimConnect Flight Simulator Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. As we get into the manual process for SimConnect Flight Simulator Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the SimConnect Flight Simulator Library, the primary interface library used by Microsoft Flight Simulator platforms, FSX and MSFS 2020, for third-party integrations. It enables peripherals, telemetry tools, and multiplayer clients to communicate with the simulator engine. If missing, add-ons and external hardware may fail with errors like SimConnect connection failed. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. SimConnect is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing SimConnect Flight Simulator library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like SimConnect Flight Simulator Library DLL. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes SimConnect Flight Simulator Library Guidance. If this diagnostic helped you resolve SimConnect Flight Simulator Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.